hope that you can hear me. Welcome to my first live session of Textual games for the beginning. So what am I going to do? I'm going to test out a little bit to see how it works and to make potentially some new features that we are going to implement inside this project. So let's play a first story. We can go with the fantasy. Let's go with the classic orc. Golmar. And let's try to be... What can we try? Maybe to solve a murder mystery. It's not very orcish, but let's go with that. And we can take... Let's take mace. Okay, let's see what are we going to get first. So now currently the first task that I placed here is image partial pre-rendering. That's for the AI image that is coming out now in the first level. I mean in each level, because here we need partial pre-rendering to display it something before that it's loading, so the user can know it's loading. So here it is. This image is not very impressive, but okay. Your name is Golmar, an orc of impressive stature, with a broad chest akin to the mighty oak trees in the forests of Fenner. Your skin is of a rich, earthy hue, like the soil of the earth you've been raised upon. But it doesn't look that much like a soil. You carry a mace, a weapon as formidable as yourself, its spikes gleaming ominously even in the dimmest light. The mace is your companion, having been by your side through countless adventures. In your hands, it is not just a tool, but an extension of your will, commanding respect from friends and striking fear into the hearts of your enemies. A murder has occurred in the small town of Derrynshire, where you've been chosen to unravel. Yeah, this is, I think, the problem in the UI. I'm not entirely sure, like, in which row I am, so definitely need to make some UI changes for this part. So how can I say that? Something like UI make better user interface, user experience for reading, something like that. Then we can think of something that we're going to create. Okay, then where was I? Small wooden houses with, what is it, thatched roofs line the cobblestone streets, their occupants peeping through their windows, fear etched on their faces. To your left stands the town hall, its once welcoming doors now shut tight, and to your right the local tavern, the Jolly Hog, a place where secrets are often traded over a pint of ale. The echoes of the past, quiet murder still hang heavily in the air. You have two choices. Okay, this one also should be the fix more than a feature. I want to remove this. You have two choices and then 1 and 2. We have to say somehow to OpenAI that we don't want that one. So let's create that one also. So fix, how can I say that? AI recommendation for two choices in the end of the story level. That one, okay. Convert to issue, textual games. Nice. And now let's say something. So we have our choices. Head to the town hall and venture into the tavern. Okay, so I don't even know now what happened. Who is killed here? Killed. Okay, the gruesome act has this, okay. Try to find out what happened. Not what happened, but who is killed. Let's say it like that and go. I really like this part where we have the image and then the loading behind. So I prepared here the code and everything. We are going to fix something at least from these thingies here. So your decision to learn more about the victim brings you, let's see the image. Oh, okay. Spooky town. Brings you to the town hall. Its foreboding doors creak open to reveal a somber interior. The normally lively place, now a scene of solemn quiet. You find yourself face to face with Elderman Osgar, the town's aging leader. His face, usually lit with a jovial smile, is instead lined with worry. This somehow sounds like a movie, 13th Warrior. After a moment of silence, he shares the tragic news with you. The victim is none other than Rosalind, the local herbalist. A beloved figure in the town, Rosalind was known for her calm nature and her unmatched knowledge of healing herbs. Her untimely, what is this word? Untimely demise has left the town in shock and sorrow. Osgar urges you to exercise caution as the killer is still at large. You are left with two choices. Okay, again, these two choices. We can always see that here. Visit Rosalind's house and head to the graveyard. Why would I go to the graveyard? Oh, she was killed on the graveyard. Okay. So another thing is maybe this part where we are writing. First, this text area and buttons are really ugly. I admit that. Let's just create implement shed cn components. That would be enough. Cover to issue. Okay. So let's see what can we do now. So first of all, let's try to ask OpenAI not to give this crap here. So that one is in the story creator class, and we have our prompt, bunch of prompts. So continue the story based on my choice. My choice was that. Ensure the story remains in the genre. Okay. So here is the main prompt for the first level. That's the get. Let me see. So you're a dungeon master running a text-based game with a player. Begin the story genre. Okay, so game story with two choices. Begin the genre text-based game story with two choices. The game should be from first person. Okay, I'll remove this part with two choices. And the story revolves around my character. And it should be in this JSON format. And then this JSON format is please return the story in the following format. And available choices. Okay, there should be two potential choices. Yeah, I think this is going to work even. Let's try it out. So we can say go to the crime scene on the graveyard and investigate. Let's see if he's going to return again the choices inside the story. I hope my sound is... Oh yeah, it's working. Okay. Okay, here I am on the graveyard. Oh, look at these letters. So AI-ish. In the dim lighting of the waxing moon, you approach the mysterious crime scene at the graveyard. The air is heavy with the scent of damp earth and old stone. You see a toppled headstone, a symbol of a crescent moon, and a star etched crudely on its back. Okay, so a crescent moon and a star. An uncanny feeling washes over you as you spot a peculiar object half buried in the soil. Did these guys even like have they been on the crime scene? A tarnished silver pendant with a purple gem. A murder of crows caw ominously from the skeletal trees above, watching your every move. Okay, so what is it? A silver pendant with a purple gem. Okay, so inspect the silver pendant with the purple gem. And yeah, we didn't get the choices. Let's see if it is going to work in the next level also. It probably should. I think it was only that one line that was making problems, because we already have inside the JSON format what do we need in the available choices. What is this? Okay, so here is the pendant with the gem, purple gem, amethyst. As you carefully pick up the silver pendant, the purple gem seems to pulsate with an inner light. You have a vision of a hooded figure in dark robes, carrying the same pendant. The figure is standing in front of a massive door etched with similar symbols as the one you found on the headstone. As the one you found on the headstone, and suddenly the door bursts open and a torrent of darkness engulfs the figure. The vision fades as quickly as it came, leaving her clutching the pendant tight. The crows in the trees above have gone eerily silent, as if waiting for your next move. Okay, so we had a terrible vision. So what could follow the vision and search for the massive door with similar symbols. Okay. Investigate the toppled headstone and its strange symbol. So we fixed this one. That's a good thing. And this image is, I would say, make this image better. I mean, let's see what are we getting in the get image. Where is that? That's in the GPT. Okay, here it is. Give me a senior image for the visual novel game. The main storyline is plot. My character is character type. The story genre is this one. Keep the image in that mood. And my current level description is this. My choice was, and image should be in a photorealistic art. Okay. Everything sounds good. I don't know why it gave those two big heads on the sky of orcs, but let's create also that. So make image AI prompt better. Convert to issue, textual games. Okay, there are already 5 issues here. And did we? Yeah, I think we already fixed this one. Yeah, there is nothing again here. But let's see, let's follow the vision and search for the massive door to see what are we going to get. The pendant looks great, everything looks great. Just these two heads, and why two? I mean, there is only one work. Yeah, there are definitely no. Oh, this image is really great. I'm going to save this one somewhere. So, guided by the vision, you traverse deeper into the graveyard. The air grows colder, and the whispering wind seems to carry ancient secrets. You arrive at an old crypt, its entrance adorned with the same symbols as the pendant and the headstone. The massive door stands ajar. The darkness within seems to pulsate, just like the gem on the pendant. You realize that this is the door from your vision. The heady scent of ancient magic lingers in the air, a testament to powerful spells once cast here. So we found the door from the vision, and inside is probably that dark hooded figure which we are going to hit with our mace. And this is not a mace, but we took mace in the beginning, so that's a mistake. We have to fix that one. Is there in the main storyline here actually there is no inventory, right? Yeah, there is no inventory, and inside the story, if I remember, there is, where is the inventory items inside the game level and the level info. We have that one, so okay. And is carrying these items. And what is this exactly? Inventory items, that's the array of strings. So we can just put it like this. We can create here items, how to call it? We can just call it items, and it is going to be here, not there. It is going to be, so we have story dot, where we said that one is, some game level. Oh, level info dot items, inventory items dot map, and we can there just return each item. Or why would I do this? No, let's just create a string and send it here. Let me see that one quickly. So we need, what's it called? The explode, the make array into a string. Okay, this one. Is this even going to work? Let's try. So items equals to, what was it called? This one to string. And now that should be here. Items. Let's just console log it to see what are we getting here. And now when we go to here, okay, let's see. So enter the crypt, arm dependent to your courage. Let's go and do that one. And now my console ninja should display this one here when it is generated. Let's see. We can of course always see it here. Oh, okay, something. Oh, this was from before when I saved without. Now it is possible that I broke it before when I saved, like the syntax error, and then now it's not going to work, but let's see. It's taking maybe too long, but now we are probably like encountering some enemy and it creates a long story or something similar. Let's see if it is going to work. It always like snaps in the moment where I want to know what is going to happen. Okay, nothing, I guess. Let's see the... So... Oh, it snapped here. Okay, to string. Cannot read properties of undefined inventory items. Okay, I'm going to remove that one. But why is it undefined? It shouldn't be undefined ever. So game level and this, nothing has a question mark. It should always be there. Which one is exactly undefined? Yeah, inventory items are undefined. Okay, let's remove that one and just console log story to see what we have here. And now let's go and refresh, play a new game. Let's go to adventure, zombie, John, and oh, this one also needs to be, but this one is going to be fixed with Shetien, maybe to try to save a dying magical realm with the rope. Okay, let's see what are we going to get in our story state. Here it is. So it's, oh, in the beginning it's empty, but items, we have items here. Oh, but it's in the character story. I missed one. So it's game level, then in game level. Oh, it's here actually, items. Okay, and what are these inventory items? Damn. Okay, so do we have inventory items? That's no. So we have items. Character story items. Okay. So we can return this one, but it's character story and then items. And then we are going to console log those items. Okay. Whoa, this zombie looks great. I'm going to save this one also. So John, your character, bunch of text. Let's just choose something. So we see seek assistance from hostile ghosts. Guide John through the labyrinth. Let's seek assistance from hostile ghosts. Sounds cool. And now let's see. Yeah, so now we are getting and is carrying these items a rope. Okay, that one should work. So probably if there is a zombie Next.AI image, it will be displayed with a rope again. Again, we need loading time. Yeah, there is a rope. Okay, and these are hostile ghosts that probably became friendly, offering a gastro piece. Okay, so that one is fixed for the images. Did we put that one here? I think that this is definitely done. And this one can probably be in progress still. I think that we are going to, we need to make sure that our character is the same like through each level, because now if you go to the next level and our zombie is going to be totally different. Like in the first level it was looking totally different, now he's bald, and in the next level he's going to have hair again probably. Let's see him now. Yeah, now he looks more like from the first level, but he has a totally different rope and he has a bunch of items on himself. Okay. So now the story feels a little bit better without those like AI things, like you have 1 and 2, and with image taking the inventory also. So now what we can do, so what we created here, we can implement maybe something, maybe shed CN components. Let's see the index page. Yes, the index page also needs to be much better. The design is not very good, but with ShadCN it could be really cool. We can put like the buttons and the design and everything. And oh yes, we need definitely a light and dark mode toggle, because one friend told me that in these games, when you are like reading a lot, it's really important to have light and dark mode, because some people are more used to light mode, some more to dark. So that is going to be a good feature. And also these images, to create new images for each category. That one could be done through the AI framework that I created. I don't know if you checked that one on my YouTube. And oh, we have 5 of 3. Well, this one is definitely ready, and this one is definitely ready. And this one, I don't know what to do yet. And this one also. And this, okay. And what else can we do here? Well, footer is the default one that I use. Maybe choosing a story should be better. This whole experience. Yeah, I know what we can do here. We can here point the steps that are currently happening. So we can put the character type, then it should be green, and then next one should be name, then maybe type name, then it should be third one, like choosing a story. Okay, so how to call that? It can be, well, first one, make better UX for choosing a story. And then next one is implement, how to call it, like current status of choosing a story feature for current state of story creation. Nice. This one should be among the, maybe here after the ShadCN, because it is definitely going to use ShadCN. And I think now there are plenty of tasks that can be done inside the project, and it will probably make it much better. Also change this background. Find a better background for the index page. That one is also ready. It just needs to be a little bit better. And that's it. This was my first live experience. So I'm not sure if anyone is going to watch this, but I hope you enjoyed. And join the Horde, warriors. Subscribe. See you.